everyone's asleep. I actually was up for 24 hours yesterday. My friend came over and we were hanging out, and she lives all the way in Maryland, so I was definitely staying to see her. And yeah, so I was up for like 24 hours and went to bed at almost 4 a.m. And now here I am. I got about 4 hours of sleep, and now I'm gonna go work out. And I probably shouldn't do that, it's not very healthy, but it's the only time I can get in before the kids are up and before we go on about our family fun day. I don't want to ruin our family fun day by going to work out, and I don't want to ruin my day by not working out. So compromise, you know? So I'm headed to yoga. The next time you'll see me, I will be a super sweaty mess. Over and out. Like I said, a sweaty mess. I'm heading home. Gotta quickly shower. I got about an hour to get myself ready, the kids ready, our bags packed. Well, not our bags packed, but like the diaper bag and stuff. And head out. I was gonna stop by the bagel place to get some breakfast since today's my cheat day. It should be a cheat meal, but when we have like outings and stuff, I have breakfast too. But I didn't have time because I only have, like I said, less than an hour to get ready. So I just ordered it on Uber Eats and hoping it'll be here by the time we have to leave. Loading up the school bus. Just waiting for my mother and father-in-law to get here. Nice and clean. Kids go in the back, and we're about to have some fun. Come here, let me see your handsome haircut. Who did your haircut for you? What? Daddy didn't do your haircut.
Yes, you did.
Who gave you your haircut? I like your outfit. It's cute. Sophie and I match. Look at our bracelets. We have matching bracelets. one. Right here, look. Wait. Oh, that one's rotten. Here. Pull it. Can you reach? Here, reach. Good job. You like piggyback rides?
Yes.
My knee is hurt.
What's that got to do with your knee? It's your back.
Wow, okay. Okay. Rude. Such a nice life. My husband's in the car because Gabriel's sleeping. So I bought him a suit. He's awake. He's awake. So pretty. With the British accent. We made it to my sister's house. We're nice and full. Had a great day, but freezing. It's so cold. So cold outside. So now we're just gonna relax, have some tea, and warm up. I like your shoes. I like your shoes. He heard the garage door open. Ouch. What I absolutely love about Apple Farm is like, why pay $6 for a bag of organic apples when you can go to the farm and get like 6 apples for 30 bucks. And for your family, you can spend $200 to have to pick your own apples and chase kids around in the cold weather. Good night. Good night. Just put Gabriel down, and now I'm gonna put Sophia down, and then I'm gonna put my damn self down. So I lied. I'm not gonna put myself down. I have to do her homeschool planning, not only for the week, but I usually do it Sunday nights, but I'm leading her homeschool co-op group tomorrow, Sophia's homeschool co-op group, and we're learning about plants. So I just printed out some stuff that I'm gonna have the kids do and get all that together for tomorrow and get our curriculum down for the week. So I guess after that, I'll be done and then I can go shower and go to bed. face, take a shower, and go to bed.